Set 3, question number 5, 9, 7, 5, dash, 24, 21, 18, dash are given APs. Means this sequence are in AP. If n term of both the progression are equal, this condition is given. Means Tn of this progression is equal to Tn of this progression. Then find the value of n and n term. You have to find out the value of n and n term you have to find out. So for that, if the progression n term of both the progression are equal, at that time you have to write this sequence, you have to find out the Tn of this sequence, you have to write this Tn of this sequence, and after getting the Tn of both the sequence, you have to equate the Tn of both the sequence. At that time you will get the n. Okay, so the given APR 975 dash 24 21 18 dash. Then I will say that A is equal to 9, D is equal to 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. Here 24, 21, 18 dash, this is the another progression. A is equal to 24, D is equal to T2 minus T1, means 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3. Then you have to utilize the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A value is 9, n minus 1 into D value is minus 2. This bracket you have to solve. This plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus 9 minus 2 multiplied by n minus 1. You have to use the distributive law. N multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 means minus 2 multiplied by n is equal to minus 2n, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, and this will you have to, these are the like terms, these are the numeric terms. You have to do the addition of the numeric term. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 minus 2n. This is the Tn. This is the Tn of the first progression. In the same way, you have to find out the Tn of the second progression. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to put the value of A and D. Tn is equal to A value is 24 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 3. Plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus 3 multiplied by n minus 1. You have to utilize the distributive law here. 3 multiplied by n and 3 multiplied by 1. So when you will multiply with minus, at that time you have to change the sign. Minus 3 multiplied by n is equal to minus 3n, minus minus plus 3 ones are 3. This you have to add this numeric term. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27 minus 3n. This is the n term of the second progression. This is the n term of the first progression, and both the n term of the progression are equal. Then 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. Then you have to collect the terms of the n together and numeric terms together. So I will shift this 3n in this side, 11 that side. Minus 3n become plus 3n and plus 11 become minus 11. Minus 2n minus 3n is equal to 1n, and 27 minus 11 is equal to 16. Then after getting the n term, this is the n term of the progression. This is the find the value of n. This is the value of n, not the n term of the progression. This is the value of n. You have to find out the n term. If n is equal to 16, we have to find out the n term, that is n 16 term you have to find out. If you want to find out n 16 term, for n 16 term, n is equal to 16, A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 2. Then you have to utilize the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So you have to put the value of n as 16. T16 is equal to 9 plus n value is 16 minus 1 into D value is minus 2. 9, this plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. 9 minus 15 to the 30. 9 minus 30 is equal to minus 21. Therefore value of the n is 16 and the n term will be minus 21. Understand? So you have to write this example in the notebook. Thank you.